Hi, I'm making this video for anyone who has or is looking at buying one of these Everfit bikes that they've got for sale at Woolworths or Big W, and Bunnings, and I don't know where else, but it's not a bad bike. I've done a few Ks on it already. I took the accelerator there, wasn't a hand accelerator there, I took that off to make it legal. That's the connection, it's just a matter of pulling that off and doing that out. But I came across a problem with this which annoyed the hell out of me, so I thought I'd share it with anyone else who might be having the same problem. As you see there, I'm turning it on, but nothing's happening. If you leave it sit for a while, it'll do this. And what you have to do is you come down to the battery, undo it, pull the battery out. On the top you'll find this button here. Now, I think you hold it on for a few seconds. You'll see the light come on. Alright, put it back in. Then press and hold down the button, it'll start up again. This drove me nuts. It was just sitting for a bit and then it wouldn't start. There's no one to talk to about these. I rang Big W and they're sold through a third party provider, and even the third party, there's no one you can ring and talk to. It's all through emails and that sort of thing, so something to look out for when buying it. I had to work that out myself, and that's just so anyone else having this problem can sort of there's a solution to it. But apart from that, it's a pretty good bike. I put it together out of the box. It was pretty easy to put together. It drives along nice, sits on its 25 k's an hour. I think I got 70 k's out of the battery and it still wasn't dead flat. But I hope that helps someone. Bye.